Hello YouTube friends. Today's episode is brought to you by C4. Yes, it's full of chemicals, but it gets you fired up. I'm kidding. They are not my sponsor, but I do like the taste. So we're going to be stripping apart a ski that I just picked up. It's a Yamaha. It's a 95 Yamaha waverunner. It's one of the ugliest ones they've ever made. Super wide. And surprisingly, it's not that stable of a ski, is what I was told by the buyer. So let's get started. Oh, there's my air compressor. Let's start ripping it apart. Let's see, we need so how I like to do it is put a 10 mil on, whatever you see that's 10 mil, just start ripping. Yeah. Nut on the backside. That doesn't work. Oh no, don't scratch it. The ski's garbage, it's going in the trash. But it's got a 701 with good compression, so it'll be good for some future project, which I don't even have yet. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round. What do we got here? How do I? Come on. Cables off. See how to get to those. Kind of a good ducting. I have to save that. Electrical box, check. Be nice to that. Where is the hole? Let's see, I don't care about fuel lines. Snap. Oh. Yeah, yeah, here it is. Here's the beauty.
I forgot how your bike rode, man. It don't like the wind.
Well, say hi to neighbor Jason. He's here.
I'm just not heavy enough.
No, on camera. You're on camera. Matthew, is the house clean? Get to it. If I come in, I'm gonna hose you off. If that ain't clean.
You got to put a camera up.
Huh?
You got a camera?
It's right here.
Oh, right there.
Say hi to the GoPro.
What's up, GoPro Nation?
Yeah, so yeah, it's 701, 150 compression, so
what's wrong with the ski itself?
nothing.
Why don't you just ride it like, why don't you just paint it and ride it?
No, it's ugly.
If you paint it and ride it.
I'm not riding it, it's ugly. I don't want to look at it.
Oh, what?
Look at the new ski, family. Guy's picking up some 550 parts right now.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, just old pump.
Bugs in the sea.
Wash them down the sink.
Yeah, but I can't.
Why?
Because they're terrifying.
Wash them down the sink.
Wash butt down the sink.
Pinch your bugs.
Oh.
3 of them. They're all alive.
Matthew, you're not done with your chores. Get to it. Oh yeah. I'm the boss of the house
Today.
because the wife's not home. There you go. Yeah, just start, cutting this, cutting that, eventually it'll come. Here's some temp sensor. I don't care about that temp sensor. What is this line? Oh, that's the battery cable. You need the battery cable, huh?
You need the battery cable.
Yeah, it's kind of decent. Here we go. Yeah, this one's a 95 waverunner. Come on, baby. There we go. The power line is disconnected. Throttle cable. I need the throttle cable.
Was it running?
Yeah.
And he couldn't sell it?
Huh?
And he couldn't sell it, huh?
No, he had a tough time selling it. So I don't know. No, he got it for a good deal, so he gave it to me for.
And you got a fresh tank of gas.
Yeah,
Got a full tank of gas.
full tank of gas. Even though it's 2-stroke, it's still going in my Suburban.
Just smoke for a minute.
Yeah, I don't care.
It'll loosen up the rings.
Yeah, there we go. I even cut the throttle cable. Imagine that. Get a little wobble on the 12 mil.
There you go. Yeah, I didn't know how cold it was yesterday. It was, it's funny because I went to the gas station.
Yeah.
Put gas in it, and it wouldn't start. What the hell?
The bike?
Yeah.
So you didn't have the switch on.
No, the switch was on. The underneath the clutch, there's that cable that plugs in and out. It came loose. So I popped it back on, fired it up, and took off. I was like, all right,
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'll show you. And then when I got home yesterday, I was going to put it in the garage. And wouldn't start, and Jake goes, oh, it's unplugged on here again. So we pushed it back in, fired right up. I was like, okay.
Okay, so you killed the battery is what you're telling me.
No, battery didn't die at all. There's a little switch, there's a little plug underneath the, the clutch perch, the clutch and all that little, your on and off switch. So I think your on and off switch, there's a wire underneath there that just came unplugged.
Never seen it, never heard of it. It's always started for me.
I'll show you what I'm talking about.
So Jason borrows my motorcycle and he brings it back broken.
Nope, it ain't broken, it runs.
That motor mount is seized to that bolt.
That thing's just turning.
I'm not getting that one.
You gonna cut it?
Not yet. Let's see if I can get down to these bottom bolts. Can't really see it. You got a lot of projects going on in your house right now.
Just the kids. Hey, he cleaned the truck.
Okay. 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 Moment of silence. Look at this across the street. No, it's just
If it was recording.
Yeah, it is. You know, it is. It is. Okay, more shot of courage here.
Yeah, now he cleaned the truck and.
Yeah. All right, engine should be 5 more minutes. And then I'll probably remove the pump, the cables. Eventually it's going in a freestyle hole, but not sure. I'd love to have a Richter, but not for 20,000. Yeah, I got this. A couple more wires, some connectors. It's out. Motor mount bolt out.
And a pink slip to go with it.
With pink slip.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Come on, baby.
What did you do to your hair?
You don't like what I did to my hair? It's called wearing a beanie.
Not really.
Even a nice little strap he gave you, huh?
No, that's mine.
Oh, just
We were trying to get it off the trailer, so this
Oh,
thing.
you should have called me.
No, I tried to lift it.
Should have called me.
Oh yeah, it was just a drag. Okay, engine is. I don't care about all these fuel lines. You gotta get a bucket for all the trash. What's all this? Kawasaki's are better in general, but you know, this is what I've been given. Who else is holding this? Oh, it's got the exhaust clamp. Yes,
Never ended up going to Dollar Tree so I can get a poster.
you gotta finish cleaning the house.
I did.
All the dishes are done?
No.
No, they're not?
No, because one, there's 3 pincher bugs. I mean, 1, there's a pincher bug. 2, there's another pincher bug. 3, there's a 3rd pincher bug.
Wash it down in the sink. Grab a
That's
paper
too
towel.
scary. No, that's terrifying.
Grab a paper
I'm
towel.
not doing that.
The bugs aren't gonna hurt you.
Bugs
Yes,
aren't
they
gonna
are.
hurt
They're
you.
terrifying. They hurt my nightmares.
They won't hurt you.
Yes, they will.
I love these. I love these fuckers. I got like 10 of them. I love them.
What's that?
These straps.
Oh, the
I
heavy
keep them
duty?
in my truck, in my boat, everything.
Yeah, that came with the aerial ring in the
Yeah.
house.
I keep 2 in my work bags, everything.
Okay, ready for the engine? If I had a hook, kind of floppy here.
Just hitting. That's all.
Just heading, huh?
Just hitting. That's all it was.
What is this? Oh, this is power cables.
It was just hitting. That's all.
Okay, this is the electrical box, so that's. It doesn't have a. Yay! Hold the seat.
I got it.
Kinda.
I got it.
Alright. Flip over.
I got you.
There we go. Nice. Okay, I made that harder than it looked. Next time, use the cherry picker. What else is holding it?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
It's just right there. Okay.
Nothing was holding it.
Perfect.
No, nothing was holding it. Nothing was holding it.
Okay. That completes my removal of the engine the hard way. Thank you, C4.